The last thing, before I end, I'll talk about few of my, practices. I really believe that to become a leader, if you want to be a leader in a corporate, in your society, in your public organization, or a development agency, these are extremely important. First and foremost, the honesty and transparency. There is no alternative to it. I can tell you, if you are trying to do shortcuts, if you are not honest to your team, honest to the people, to the customer, if you are not transparent, you will grow, but you will fall at one point of time. The mediocre like Azman can be a CEO if he has a transparency and honesty towards the team, because you need the trust to build. Many of us, when we are leader, we try to take our own liking ones in our team, promote people, those who we like. We are not transparent. But if we are not transparent, how do you build that trust in the organization that people will work for you? People will rally behind you. এই যে সত্য কথা বলিব সকালে উঠে যে আমরা আগে বলতাম স্কুল জীবনে, এইটার ভিতরে অনেক বড় 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 কথা আছে, ডিপ মিনিং, এখন হয়তো আমরা দেখি না এটা এত ওইভাবে বলা হয়, বাট দিস ইজ দ্য ড্যাম ইম্পর্টেন্ট থিং ইফ ইউ ওয়ান্ট টু বি এ সাস্টেইনেবল লিডার ইনটু ইয়োর সোসাইটি, ইন ইয়োর কর্পোরেট ওয়ার্ল্ড. This is the first thing I talk about. I've seen the brightest of the brightest, it's like cannot go after certain level, fall apart at some point of time, because ethical leadership, the compliance, the transparency, these we miss. So it is not easy. It is not easy. I can tell you, I am not allowed to have a coffee with my stakeholder outside in a coffee shop. I am not allowed to. Think how difficult it is, because I need to achieve every day so many things. If that coffee influence someone differently, that's not allowed. That's not allowed. And that is hard. But accepting that and then you are succeeding, that's sustainable. That's then the sustainability. It's extremely important. Rest of the things is easy to understand. I think all of you are every day hearing empathy for people. And we try to take empathy as a very, very easy way. It's not. You need to be at the shoes of your employees to see that how they're seeing you as a leader. I'm standing here today, I'm thinking, I am the star. But my words, my action, probably একটা দানবের মতো একটা ছায়া তৈরি করে দেয় মানুষের মধ্যে. We need to be aware of that. How the employees, the customers, they are looking at you. It's like your every step, when you become a leader, your every step, your every action, every word is important. And there is nothing other than transparency and honesty can keep you going, because you don't need to make new things every day when you talk, because you are talking from your heart. You need to be able to link these 2-3 things. Constant learning, it's like I have to learn every day. No one. It's like Don can talk about that mighty Azman Bhai standing there. I can tell you the path you are into now, into your journey, I'm exactly the same. Probably I'm into some other places now. But you have to learn, I have to learn. In this world, the things are changing fast. If I don't want to be replaced by someone else, either in the customer's mind by the competition or in my position by someone else, I need to constantly learn. And the digital world gives that amazing opportunity to learn every day. When you are at car, when at your free time, through your social media, LinkedIn, and so many different platforms, and learning from your fellow colleagues. I have one of my very junior colleagues today here. I don't know where she is sitting. Whenever she talks, I try to learn something. I have another colleague doing video for me. So I also learn every day from her. So every person has some perspective, looking at things, and are you able to respect that and learn from them? Result orientation, I think, in the corporate world, we are performance oriented. Do whatever. If we are not result oriented, it will not succeed. So other softer things, but this is very harsh. Here you need to basically deliver, and you need to able to deliver, and that's why it's so important you understand your employees, you build the trust, and you move on with your, goal-oriented and performance-oriented culture. Finally, reward and celebrate. Reward and celebrate your employees, your colleagues, your friends. I'll stop here.